Good day, teachers. It's time for Tech Know-How.
Taking a screenshot on your Chromebook is a really useful skill for both teachers and students. And Chrome has changed this feature quite a bit this year, so let me walk you through how to take a screenshot or make a screen recording, which is a new feature on a Chromebook. To take a screenshot, you're going to be using the switch window key. The switch window key is at the top center row of keys. Let me show you what it typically does. So just clicking the switch window key by itself, you can see all of the open windows that you have and easily negotiate between those windows. And if I click it again, it's going to take me back to my main screen. You can take a full screen screenshot by holding down the control key and clicking the switch window key. You can also use control plus shift and the switch window key to take a specific screenshot or to make a screen recording. So let's look at how those work. Using Control plus the switch window key, which I'm going to do right now, takes a screenshot of the entire screen. And you can see it sitting over here, and it's telling me also that it automatically is copied to the clipboard. So if I have a document open that I want to put that into, all I need to do is go over to that document, use the keystroke Control V, and I will be pasting that full screenshot. You can see there's everything on my whole screen there into my document. All right, the next kind of screenshot is the one that uses three keys, Control plus Shift plus the switch window key. And you can see that brings up a lot of options now that it didn't used to bring up. The easiest way to do this now is it'll let me capture a part of the screen. So I'm going to actually use my finger on a touch screen, drag open a box, or you can do it with the touchpad. And now it gives me that button that says capture. Click the capture button, and now I have only part of the screen. So I'll go over here and let's get rid of that one and paste this one. And you can see that that is just a partial screenshot. All right, so back here then, let's demo something else. So again, Control plus Shift plus that switch window key, and it's going to go back to the one that I just took. But some buttons down here, let's talk about these. So there's the screenshot tool. This is the screen recorder. This gives you that full screen screenshot, and I've already demoed that. This is the partial screen. We did that. And this gives you a screenshot that includes, when you touch there, make sure that it includes all of those buttons. These buttons across the bottom here, those are going to wind up in your screenshot if you use that. All right, so the last thing I want to show you is the screen recording, which is this cool new feature that you can do. So I'm going to go full screen here. There we go. Switch over to screen recording, and I will show this to you. You want to make sure if you're going to do a screen recording that you want your voice to be in, that you click the settings gear here and turn the microphone on so you can hear your voice when you make your recording. So let's say I want to make a recording of myself talking over top of a slideshow. So I've got my slideshow all queued up here. I'm going to use Control, Shift, and the switch window key. I'm going to choose the camera to record. I'm going to make sure my microphone's on. And then it says drag to select the area to record. I'm just going to grab the screen that's going to just take a picture of my slideshow, and I'm ready to record. There's a record button in the middle. It's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and now I'm ready to record my slideshow, talk over top of it, and I can advance the slides with the space bar. When I'm done recording, there is a stop button down here. It's a red circle, and now there is my screen recording ready to be shared in any way I like to. Any of these screenshots or recordings that you make on your Chromebook are going to wind up in the downloads file. So I just went down here to my shelf and found that file folder. If you don't see it, you'll need to go here, swoosh up, and look for that same file folder. But this is your files, and this opens up, and downloads is where those screenshots default to. You should think of your downloads folder as temporary storage. And if you want to keep something forever, it's important to you, you want to save it, you're going to want to make sure that it ends up in Google Drive, not the downloads folder. So you can just pick it up and drag it to Drive and pop it in there, or you can choose that as a saving path when you're saving your screenshots. Have some fun taking screenshots. It's a great way for teachers to show specific images to their students and for students to share their work with their teacher and their classmates. Have a great day filled with love and learning. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.